Now, today, how to make the linear equation in two variable. How to convert a word problem into linear equation in two variable. Convert a word problem into linear equation in two variables. Now, if there is a question like this, if there is a question, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen, write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. यानी कि कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन इन दोनों में आपको रिलेशनशिप गिवन है, तो यू हैव टू एज्यूम द वैल्यू ऑफ व्हाट यू हैव टू एज्यूम. लेट कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक is equals to x rupees, cost of pen is equals to y rupees. This is the way, after reading the question, we can recognize that what we have to assume. जब हमने इन दोनों को assume कर लिया, then according to question, what is the statement? The statement is the cost of notebook. Cost of notebook means x is का मतलब equals to twice the cost of pen, यानी 2 multiplied by cost of pen, and this is the linear equation in two variable according to our situation, and this is the formation of linear equation. Now if you have to draw the graph of this equation, if you have to draw the graph of this equation, you have to find 3 points according to the situation. When x is equals to 0, 2y is equals to 0, it means y is equals to 0. When x is equals to 1, अब आप यहाँ पर जब आप वैल्यू रख रहे हो, अगर आपने इसको x को 1 एज्यूम कर लिया, तो y की वैल्यू 1/2 मीन्स फ्रैक्शन में वैल्यू आ जाती है. सो व्हेन वी हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ x, वी थिंक अबाउट दैट द y नेवर बी इन फ्रैक्शन. सो either one we have to put over here 2, then y is equals to 2 and y equal to 1. Again, if x is equals to 4, 2y is equals to 4, y is equals to 2. Now on the graph paper, ये तो आ गया 0 0. जब x की वैल्यू 2 है, 1 2, y is equals to 1, y is equals to 1, this is the point 2 1. When x is equals to 4, 3 4, y is equals to 2, then this is the point. And if you have to join all these points, the graph like this, it means yani ki this is the equation x is equals to 2y, and according to the question we have formed the linear equation like this. This is the way how to form the linear equation according to the situation. Okay, now what is the next point? Next point is how many solution of the linear equation in two variable. If any equation is over here, how could you explain that how many solutions of the equation? How many solutions of the equation given? कोई भी टू वेरिएबल इक्वेशन आपको गिवन है तो उसके कितने सॉल्यूशन हो सकते हैं? सॉल्यूशन मींस every point of the line gives you a solution. Every point of the line is the solution of the equation. Solution means value of x and y that satisfies the given equation. Values of x and y which satisfies the given equation is the solution of the equation, and every point present on the line is the solution. Because कोई भी अगर आप point उठा लेते हो, if there is the point -2, -1, then put over here x की वैल्यू अगर -2 है तो 2 into -1 -2 is equals to -2. It means it satisfies the equation. Every point of the line satisfies the given equation. This means the number of solution of linear equation in two variable are infinitely many solution. Every linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions because every point present on the line satisfies the given equation. This way, how could we calculate the now how we find the solutions? If we have any question like find find five solutions of 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Any line, this is the linear equation in two variable and we have to find five solutions. Five solutions जब हमें find out करने हैं when x is equals to 0, 3y is equals to 6, y is equals to 2. First solution हो गया 0, 2. When x is equals to 3, 6 plus 3y is equals to 6, 3y is equals to 0, it implies y is equals to 0, 3 comma 0 another point. When x is equals to -3, -6 plus 3y is equals to 6, it implies 3y is equals to 12 and y is equals to 4, -3 comma 4. And again when x is equals to 4, then 12 plus 3y is equals to 6, 3y is equals to -6, y is equals to -2, 4 comma -2. This way I have calculated 4 points. You can find 5 points, 7 points or many more. How many asked in the question. This is the way how we calculate the solution of the linear equation in two variables. Okay. This is the way how to find the number of solutions of the given line. Also, there is a question, check the point lies on the line or not. If there is a question, ki check 1, 3 lies on the line or not. Whether it is lie on the line or not, या whether this is the solution. और ये भी हो सकता है check 1, 3 is the solution of 2x plus 3y equals to 6 or not. Whether it is the solution or not. अगर हमें solution check करना है तो यहाँ पर 1, 3 implies we have to, इसका क्या मतलब है, ये हमें given है, put x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 3. So LHS is equals to 2x plus 3y is equals to 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3. 2 plus 9 is equals to 11, which is not equals to 6. So 1, 3 is not the solution. Or we can say 1, 3 not lies on the line. यानी कि 1, 3 इसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं है या 1, 3 डजंट लाई ऑन द लाइन. जो भी हमारा इसका ग्राफ बनेगा 1, 3 उसके ऊपर लाई नहीं करता है. सेकेंडली वन मोर थिंग कि if 3, 0 is the solution, then find k. then find k. हमें given है कि 3,0 is the solution. As 3,0 is the solution, so it satisfies the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to k. It means 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0 is equals to k. So k is equals to 6. And that is the answer. So these types of questions are based on the topic covered today. So you have solved all these type of questions very easily like the format.